Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius fire sign, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Sagittarius. Wow. Wow. Sagittarius, under the deck, King of Cups with Five of Cups. I think you are in separation with your person right now. You have strong emotions towards this person. King of Cups. Yes, maybe you decided to walk away from this person, but still you have strong emotions. You do love this person a lot, and you are feeling sad without this person. Now you are defensive. You are missing them. You are feeling sad right now. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Strength, Magician, and Queen of Wands. In recent past, you are in your power. You are taking your control back totally, and you are manifesting everything you want in your life. In recent past, your energy is very, very good, and the Strength card. You stand by your power, and you are taking your control back. Everything was fine in past. Then present, Eight of Swords, Six of Swords, and Eight of Pentacles. I think in present, you are feeling stuck. You don't know which decision you have to take. There is some confusion you are in right now, some juggling. Maybe for some you decided to move on from this person. Maybe for some you are in separation, you are in no contact with this person right now. Right now your total focus is on your career. Eight of Pentacles is here. Money, you want to create more money. Maybe you started something new businesses. You want to start something new businesses because your total focus is to create more money. Then future, Two of Pentacles, the Lovers, and Two of Swords. Again juggling. I think a lot of juggling, lot of confusion because you love this person and one part of you want this person back and another part of you don't want this person back. This is head and over heart situation. You're confused. You are unable to make any decision, but still you love this person. There is love. I think they also love you because the Lovers card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Leo, especially Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or especially Gemini or Leo. So yes, you are feeling sad. You love this person a lot. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Justice. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Libra. So their current feelings. Eight of Cups with Ten of Swords. I think maybe for some they walked away, but now they have regrets. Ten of Swords. They're in so much pain without you. They are missing you badly because Five of Cups is here. I think you both are on the same page. You both are missing each other a lot. In past, there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe Sagittarius, you only taking care of this relationship, but now your person thinking about equal give and take. And Knight of Cups is here. Yes, they do love you, and This person have romantic feelings for you, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, they are missing you and they are thinking about you a lot, and you both are missing each other a lot. Lot of missing. Maybe they are realizing your worth, Sagittarius. Their intentions. Oh my god. King of Wands with Ten of Swords again. For some, your person is dominative, aggressive in nature. Right now, they may be focusing on their career. For some, your person is financially stable. I think there is a lot of drama going between you and your person right now. For some, more than one person is fighting for your attention. Definitely, right now, your person feeling overburdened. For some, it could be due to their family or due to their work pressure. Right now, your person, yeah, they do love you, they're missing you, but in action wise, they're planning. King of Wands, yes, they are planning to take action, but it will take so much time, to be honest with you, because Nine of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and Ten of Wands. Right now, they're feeling overburdened, yes, but they do love you, they're missing you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, right now they're taking their time. And yes, Eight of Cups with Temperance, yes. uh, so they're patiently waiting for the right time. Temperance is here, and they're scared for rejection also. Maybe they have some problems in their life right now. So right now they are focusing on their self, they're focusing on their self growth, what I'm getting here, because the Strength card and Eight of Cups is here. So they have regrets, but they do love you, they're thinking about you, they're missing you, but in action wise it will take some time, because right now they are not feeling well, because they are overburdened, they are not mm, yeah, they want to talk, but they don't show their emotions to you. Yes, they do love you, but they're not expressing, and they're not willing to talk right now, because they're feeling overburdened, and you are defensive. And five of, lot of drama, guys, lot of issues going between you and your person. For some, third party situation means friends, family, or other man or woman also affecting this relationship. And judgment is here, definitely some major decision. Maybe Sagittarius, you are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. Four of Wands, I think you both wishing for the same. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Judgment, decision making, and yeah, a lot of disturbances, lot of illusions between both of you, but you still want this happiness with each other, but it will take some time, but you both are missing each other a lot. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. New love is coming. Lot of abundance is coming. I realized my mistake. I can't let you go. Decision time. I'm feeling sad without you. So the messages are new love is coming. Lot of abundance is coming. I realized my mistake. Decision time. I can't let you go. And I am feeling sad without you. So these are the messages. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Take time to breathe out. Walk through your fears, new moon in Scorpio. So take time to breathe out. So if you're feeling overburdened, if you're doing a lot of work, this is the message for you. Take some break and work through your fears. So if you have any fears regarding something, So this is the time to work through your fears. You have to overcome those fears, especially when your moon in Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.